Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Welcome to week 6 of our summer schedule. This week, we're going to draw the stars of the hit summer movie, Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. If you're familiar with the movie, then you know the two friends reunite after not working together or even seeing each other in 30 years. In that time, Dale has undergone special CGI surgery to improve his looks as he's continued his acting career, while Chip, now an insurance agent, has remained a 2D cartoon. So before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Alright, so let's draw the iconic Chip and Dale from this summer's Rescue Rangers movie. We're going to draw Chip and Dale step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this pose, Chip is 3 heads tall, meaning however tall his head is, his entire body is 3 of those. Dale is exactly the same height as Chip, but his legs are slightly more bent, making him slightly shorter in this drawing. Alright, so let's draw the roadmap for Chip and Dale from Chip and Dale's Rescue Rangers. So there's our roadmap for our 2 Rescue Rangers. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put some of Chip and Dale's features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Okay, so let's rough out the features for Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Chip and Dale. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of our rescue rangers. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for our rescue rangers, Chip and Dale. Alrighty, there they are, from the new Rescue Rangers movie, Chip and Dale. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Chip and Dale before, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our rescue rangers during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Chip and Dale. And with that, you can draw them again and again. And by all means, color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step and what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your version of Chip and Dale. If you can, post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.